Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is cleaning and organizing my children's bathroom. The first thing I'm going to do is pick up all this dirty laundry they left on the floor. This hamper is actually only supposed to be for my dirty cleaning cloths, but that's okay. Dirty laundry is dirty laundry. If you're wondering what is on the bathtub walls, it's bath time crayons that I bought at Target. As much as I love them because they spark some creativity during bath time, I hate how annoyingly easy they are to break and leave these waxy residue shavings in the bottom of the tub. Luckily, they are super easy to clean off. Just scrub with a sponge or cleaning brush and it's out. Here I'm just using a regular sponge and a Lysol Multipurpose cleaner to disinfect the whole tub. Afterwards, I go ahead and spray some of the spots I missed with the Mrs. Meyer's surface spray in Lilac.
Keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. Spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
After I cleaned the sinks and countertop, I decided to declutter and organize the drawers and cabinets. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a bit to decide on how I was gonna organize it. I wiped the drawers down with the Mrs. Meyer spray, and in this adorable pink floral container, I decided to put all their bows, clips, and headbands in there so it'll still be all in one place for the girls to grab whenever. If you're wondering where I got it from, it's from Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, hey, yeah, If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better than you.
So it was time to put my hair up. This long mane was starting to get in the way, and homegirl was starting to get sweaty. Nope.
Can we talk it out? Make things right. I can feel us growing.
Look at all these plastic bags. Thank God I switched over to reusable bags the last several months because these things pile up so fast. I can't keep up with them. I had so much, and I don't know about you guys, but I use them for my trash cans around the house, aside from the kitchen one, of course, because I use a 30-gallon for that. So when I clean a toilet, it's the only thing I clean where I don't use my cleaning cloths. I'm sorry, I just can't do it. Hence why I use paper towels to clean it. And I'm so proud of myself that I seldom ever use paper towels. I kid you not, I use the Viva ones, and a 6-pack lasts me about almost 2 months.
Teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish.
Like my kitchen, I always mop last. I use the Lysol Multipurpose cleaning liquid in Tangerine Mango, and this is my most favorite scent from them and is my go-to floor cleaner. This mop is also the hands down the best mop I've ever had. I love it so much. It's called the O-Cedar Spin Mop, and I highly recommend it for anyone who is looking for a good mop.
And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know we don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know we don't make no sense. And when you go, I can make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm.
And it's all clean. Jelen wanted to help with the video, so she's helping me show you guys all the cabinets and drawers. The first one is all the brushes, hairsprays, hair ties, etc. The second has their nail polishes, bath bombs, and bath bubbles. And finally, the last one has some extra bath supplies like shampoo and bath crayons, so if they ran out of something, they can just get it from there. And the cabinets all just have the bathroom cleaning supplies and their hair bows and etc. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here and liked what you saw, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more upcoming content. See you guys soon. Bye.